Mbappe is one of the best players for the moment of the world. When I see him playing with PSG, he's just a fantastic player, a very dangerous player, and even when you have a plan to neutralize him, there will be still one moment in the game that he's gone, and that he scores. So for us, I would have liked that my colleague at the other side who did the contrary, so let him play against Ivory Coast and not against us. But okay, it's also a challenge for us to play against such a player. We know his qualities, so we will not have surprises with him. But at the other side, how we are going to neutralize him, that's another thing.